the Japanese particle ni can also express the recipient or beneficiary of an action. A recipient is someone who receives an object from another person, while a beneficiary is someone for whom an action is done. Ni, in this sense, often appears in ditransitive verb phrases. A ditransitive verb is a verb that takes both direct and indirect objects. In English, verbs like to give, to teach, and to buy are examples of ditransitive verbs because they can take up to two objects. For instance, in the sentence, Grandma gave me gum for my birthday, me is the indirect object or the recipient of the giving action, whereas gum is the direct object. Now, let's look at some example sentences in Japanese. おばあちゃんは僕に入れ歯をくれた。おばあちゃんは僕に入れ歯をくれた。Grandma gave me dentures. In this sentence, the particle ni follows 僕, me, so 僕 is the recipient of the direct object, 入れ歯, dentures. The next example. おじいちゃんは見知らぬ女性にマッサージをして捕まった。おじいちゃんは見知らぬ女性にマッサージをして捕まった。Grandpa gave a massage to a woman he didn't know and got arrested. In this sentence, the noun phrase 見知らぬ女性, a woman he didn't know, is followed by the particle に, so this woman is the recipient or the beneficiary of the massage, though the massage was obviously unsolicited. Additionally, the particle に can be used in the phrase 何々のために, which translates to for the sake of or for the purpose of. This phrase can be used to emphasize the beneficiary interpretation rather than the recipient interpretation. For instance, お兄ちゃんは僕のためにおばあちゃんを悪魔に捧げた。お兄ちゃんは僕のためにおばあちゃんを悪魔に捧げた。My brother sacrificed grandma to the devil for my sake. In this sentence, the phrase 何々のために follows 僕, so we know that the sacrifice was made for the sake of 僕. The particle に after 悪魔, on the other hand, indicates that 悪魔, the devil, is the recipient of the sacrificial offering, namely grandma. This is the end of this episode. See you next time.